You see this little box right here? This one. You click on it, and then you pick any one of those, any one of them you want to pick. And then it will ask you for something. And whatever it asks you for, that's money. So try it. Try it and you'll see what's money. I got so weak. My love can deny it. Okay? So let me know when you find it, okay? When you find it, I'll see it on the screen. Let me know if you find it. Go ahead. Go try it out. Knocks me off my feet. I get so weak in my knees. At the darling's feet, I lose my control. 'Cause it knocks me right over me in the day. Look amazing, it's not the same. Why are people so obsessed with money? Because the phone that you're on, in order to be on it, you gotta have money. And wherever you're sitting or standing, you have to have money to stay there. You know? The internet that you're using, you gotta have money to pay for it. So probably that's why people are so obsessed with money. Because they got to pay for bills. They got bills to pay. Okay? That is why, my love. Okay? Did I make it clear? I hope that helped a little tiny bit while you're watching my brown stew chicken cook, okay? All right, my love? Yeah. I don't say you're supposed to have millions of dollars. It make you act crazy, like some people that you see acting crazy right now in this world. But you at least need it. You need it to have good quality life, you know. Did I make myself clear? Did you like my video, my love? It's impossible to live in a free world unless you don't want to have these luxury, but it is possible. I'm not saying it's impossible. For right now, it is impossible, but one day it will be possible to live in a free world where we don't have crime and violence anymore, where we just have peace, safety, to build our own homes. You don't have to worry about the hustle and bustle of life. One day that will be, but we gotta have to wait until the end comes. But while we're living in this system, we gotta comply and just try to live a minimalist life so that it doesn't bring a lot of stress on you or your family. But in order to really survive, we need to pay bills, right? And so I can understand there are a lot of people who are obsessed with money, in which you make a good point, but money makes the world go around. We need it. We need it to eat. We need to take a bath. We even need it to sleep. That's how important it is, my love. So marshmallows, I hope you can give me some of that marshmallow, okay? All right, my baby? I hope I was able to explain it to you. Because money makes the world go round. It makes the world go round and round. Money makes the world go round. Food is very expensive in supermarkets. Everything is expensive. Is it expensive in Turkey too? Because it is hell of expensive in the United States.